When you want to test the same request with different inputs, you don't need to duplicate that request over and over. In Bruno, you can keep a single request connected to a data file and run the same test across multiple iterations. Here, I already have one request set up. Instead of hard-coding values, I'm using variables for name and job. That enables Bruno to swap in a different set of values every time the request runs. And that set of values can be defined by a CSV or JSON file, enabling data-driven testing. For the test data, I'm using a JSON file with an array of objects, each including the two variables for name and job. And each object in the array represents one iteration. It works similarly for a CSV file with a header row and comma delimited values, with each row representing one iteration. So Bruno can now take this same request inside the collection and automatically run it once for each data entry. You can also access the data in other places, like in scripts. I can access the variables using brew.getVar with the variable name, since these are runtime variables. Now, let's try out the runner. First, I'll open the collection runner, and I'll click the option to run with parameters. For my run, I'll choose JSON as the data source and select my data file. Then, I'll start the run. At this point, Bruno iterated over the data file and ran the request once per object. And now we can see the results. I can click through each iteration and expect exactly what happened in that run. That makes it really easy to see which input passed, which input failed, and what data was used for each request. So with one request, one test script, and one data file, I can cover multiple scenarios without creating duplicate requests and duplicate work. Now let's do the same thing from the CLI. I'm in the same collection directory, and I'm going to run Bruno with the exact same JSON data file. I'll also generate an HTML report at the same time. Here's the command. Once the run finishes, Bruno outputs the report file and some information in the console. I can open that HTML report file and view the results in a browser. This gives me a simple way to validate the run locally, share results with the team, or use the same command in automation later. And that's data-driven testing in Bruno. Define the request once, run it against real test data, use it in the app, and reuse the same setup in the CLI.